Okay, so the plan for this trip is to come out of the store and spend $200 or less for most of them. It's like meat items, I guess you could say. Yeah, and a couple quick items to cook. Okay, I'm about to hit up BJ's. It's busy out here, and we're gonna do what we can to get what I came to get. Okay, so I don't buy a lot of soda, but I do like to get the ginger ales. It's 24 for 10.49, and yeah. Then oh, these plantains were 50 cents each. Okay, and then I decided to get me some chicken breasts. These are thin sliced. I love the turkey bacon. Get 4 packs for about 13, I think. And the pork bacon, you get about 3 of them for 9.99. Add that to the cut. And if you like the sausages, the pork sausages actually taste better than the turkey ones, but I like to keep them on deck. Get us sandwich meat, a little 4 pack, and get some hot dogs. BBQ International busting. Okay. Get 3 packs in there for about $10. And then with these are about, I want to say 12.29, and you get 3 sausages. These are great protein bowls to eat on the go when you're hungry and you don't want to cook. I have to get quite a few of these because these and I like them. So, and they're gluten. I got 5 bags of those, and they're about $12 a bag. They last pretty long. And I got a big bag of French fries. I think it's an 8 pound bag. Excuse the airplane because they're doing an air show. So yeah. My gluten-free flour is normally $9.99 a bag, and that bag lasts for a while. But cart check, that's it. We topped out. We didn't get nothing else, and let's go. Okay, we have successfully completed our BJ's trip, and your girl was scrambling at the end because they didn't have any boxes. And yeah. Anyway, it was this total 193, and we actually made it out there with some, the things that I actually like to use monthly. I use turkey sausages, I use hot dogs, turkey bacon, pork bacon. I grabbed me 2 little plantains, some french fries, a lot of chicken tenders because, my kids are bigger and they feed themselves a lot when I'm not cooking. And I got a little bit of turkey breast out of there. I got some free range turkey breast because I haven't had any turkey breast in a long time, and I'm really funny about where I get it from. I got my flour because again I use gluten free flour a lot. I wanted to start collecting a little bit more so I can have some on deck just in case I want to make me some bread. But I definitely use it a lot for pizza, and I wanted to work on prepping my mini pizzas so I can freeze them and have them ready to cook. I ain't got there yet, but anyway, that concludes the BJ's trip, and I hope this helped you guys find a way to maximize your dollars the best way you can. You can shop as a family separately, however, whatever works for you. All right, catch you guys later.